So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shapes to your presentation here on Keynote. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to this top bar in between text and media. It says shapes right here. Simply just go ahead and press on shapes. Now once you're here, you can browse whatever shape you're looking for. So there's lines, there's squares, there's circles, there's arrows, there's three-dimensional shapes. There's objects, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to add maybe just a basic circle right here, you can go ahead and do that, making it larger or smaller. Go to the top here, press on shapes. You can add a square, do the exact same thing. You can add a triangle. You can play around with it, do what you have to do. It is completely up to you. So once again, go to the top bar here, press on shapes. There's a bunch of different options at your disposal. Press one of those, add it, and then customize it in whatever which way you're wanting to do. So very simple, very straightforward. But that is how to add shapes to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.